Hello, New School Beyblade here, and today I'm doing an unboxing of Hornet R 760T taper. Let's go. Let's go.
I'm ready for the hero course, but the rest of the class has pretty much exercised the rest of us. Even Nina. Kirishima says, almost a quiet to hear. You like her, huh? I ask, and he nods solemnly. Nina and I still talk, but it's tense the whole time.
Okay.
The class avoids the subject of you. He says, and I remember something. How's Bakugo? I still need to beat the crap out of him again. I say, and Kirishima asks. He's out of the hospital.
Okay. There we go.
How did you know where my house was? I asked, getting out the truck and walking around Tobet. What happened to Bakugo?
Okay.
After I explained, she told to go talk to your mom and gave me her address. Where do you want to put the bike? He asks as we unload the bike. Just on the side.
I really like this design. And this gorgeous blue too.
I say, and Kirishima nods. I'll tell the rest of the non-haters. You want to tell Izawa as well? He asks, and I nod as I grab my backpack and suitcase. That would be helpful.
There's Hornet.
And Kirishima nods. See you later, Midori bro. He shouts as he pulls away in his truck. I walk up to my apartment and open the door.
Okay.
I missed you so much.
Oh gosh. Okay, and oh god, shit. The honeycomb look. Really like this clear color. It's rare to see a clear like this, or at least the outside, not the inside. Because it's normally solid colors. And taper.
Much later than I would normally wake up, but I needed to sleep. Sitting up in bed, I decide to shower.
But yeah, hope you guys like this video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos like this, and goodbye.